So, thanks again for inviting me in, Miranda. This is just such a wonderful surprise. I mean, I really didn't know what to expect. I mean, I just knocked at your door and, you know, I never really expected you to actually invite me in. It's so great. And these tacos are amazing. I didn't even know that you were thinking of becoming vegan. I mean, I had a little bit of a hint because my audience told me that I should react to you. So, but you know, I looked all around your timeline on TikTok and I couldn't really find anything. But I mean, this is great. And I guess you're like really into it because you even got your vegan food to match your shirt today. So that's really cool. Miranda? Miranda? Miranda, are you... Right. So anyway, I was thinking that if you want, after all these tacos, we can make some dessert. I brought some vegan chocolate chips, and I even brought some flour and some oats and some brown sugar and some dates to sweeten it with. Is that something you'd like? Like, do you like chocolate chip cookies? I mean, most people. I guess you're kind of full. Yeah, I guess you're probably full after all these tacos. But anyways, you know, if you want to, I'm totally open to it. I'm open to doing whatever, actually, if you want. You know what? We can even do. We can also go through the clothes in your closet if you want. We can check to see which ones are vegan. I can help you do like kind of a pre-spring cleaning. You know, we can check all the labels, and we can check to see if any of them have wool in them, and we can, you know, donate them secondhand or just get rid of them. I mean, because wool is just a terrible thing. You know, they suffer so much, these sheep, and they breed them into existence, and they manipulate them genetically so that they have like so much wool that, you know, they can't even function on their own. And then people say, well, we have to shave them, but in reality you should just stop breeding them to begin with. You know what I mean? Yeah. And anyway, so if you have any wool things, we can get rid of those. And if you have any leather, like, you know, we can check out to see if you have any leather shoes. If you have leather shoes, we can just you know, put those aside and just well, I mean, if you have no other shoes, you can wear them, of course. But you know, the idea is really that we don't want to buy any more leather items going forward. You know, Miranda? Miranda. Miranda. Okay, well, we could also look at your winter coats, you know, to make sure there's no fur trim. Like, I hope you don't have one of those Canada Goose coats. You know, they have fur trim around the edge, and it's like from a coyote. And these coyotes, they suffered. They trap them in a leg hold trap, you know, and sometimes they are so desperate to get back to their pups, to nurse their pups, that they actually, like, they bite off their own paw. I know, I was speechless too when I first found out. It's pretty awful. And then they like try to hobble back to their babies with 3 paws. I mean, Canada Goose is just the worst. And then inside they have feathers in those coats. You know, also just imagine these poor innocent ducks, chickens, and, you know, all these animals that we abuse in the system. I know it can be overwhelming. I know. I feel the same way. It's like in your mind you're just like thinking, okay, I really don't want to be part of this. I don't want to contribute to this, but at the same time, like, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, I still want to eat ice cream. But you know what, Miranda? There is actually vegan ice cream. I know. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you're thinking it doesn't sound so great, but it is really great, Miranda. It is really great. Like all the main companies like Haagen-Dazs and Ben & Jerry's, they have vegan versions. They have dairy-free versions. So that's another thing we can do if you want. We can go and get some vegan ice cream together. Do you like that idea? Hey? Yeah. I think it's a great idea. Or how about this? How about this, Miranda? If you want, we can just get a big comfy blanket and just go on the couch, just get like super comfy and cozy, and we can watch all of the amazing documentaries. Miranda, do you know the documentaries I'm talking about? I always talk about them on my channel. One of them is called Dominion. The other one is called Earthlings. You know, there's also another one called Seaspiracy and Cowspiracy. Oh, and if you're interested in vegan athletes, we can go and watch The Game Changers. You know, The Game Changers, have you ever heard of it? Yeah, anyway, you know, if it's, maybe it's not yours. Or Forks Over Knives, I don't know if you heard of that one. Forks Over Knives, that's another one. All of us vegans have watched those. Seaspiracy, that's really sad. You know, you learn about what happens in the oceans, Miranda. Do you know that scientists are predicting fishless oceans by the year 2048? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, yeah, you don't want the oceans to be destroyed. I mean, you got like kids and, you know, you want to protect the oceans. I know, and you're just like overwhelmed because you're just thinking, I just want to eat another taco. But unfortunately, that's what's going on in the world out there, you know? Or how about this, Miranda? If you want, we can sing together. I have my songs here on my phone. Do you want me to play some of my songs? We can like sing along to them. Do you want to hear them? I mean, I know I'm not as good a singer as you are, for sure. Not even close. I mean, your name is literally, you know, Miranda Sings. So, you know, there's no competition, obviously. But, you know, if you want, do you want to listen to one of my songs? Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let me find one. Oh, okay. How about this one? Do you like? Are you a religious person? Not really, right, Miranda? Are you religious? Okay, well, anyway, this song is about, you know, sort of telling people basically if their religion is telling them to do bad things, that they should not be religious. So that's kind of that's what that's about. Do you want me to just? Okay, I'll just go ahead and play it. Okay, hold on. I think it's oh shoot, I think my battery's dead. Oh no. Okay, no, there's enough power. Hold on. Time to change your religion like you change your underwear. Change your religion, show God that you really care. Change your religion, wanna try something new. Use your critical thinking skills to question all you eat, drink, buy, think, say, and do. Woo-hoo. Time to change your religion if it tells you to be cruel. Change your religion if it has a strange or crazy rule. Change your religion, wanna be an atheist every Sunday. What's important no matter what is that you don't listen to what all the mean people say. So change your religion like you change your underwear. Change your religion, show God that you really care. Change your religion, wanna try something new. Use your critical thinking skills to question all you eat, drink, buy, think, say, and do. Woo-hoo. Sing this song and be vegan from now on. Okay, well, thanks for listening, I guess. And you know, thanks a lot for letting me visit. You know, I just actually remembered that I have to be somewhere really kind of important right now, so I guess I'll let myself out. You just have a couple more tacos, and I'll come back another time. But okay, but bye. Okay, whatever. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's